Hello everyone, I represent Olabam's Creations and today I want to show us how to make shampoo at home. And you can use it, you can make cool cash from it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It is free and it's a way of encouraging me to create more helpful content. These are the materials we'll be needing for this shampoo. So the first one I'm talking about is our Nitrosol, followed by caustic soda, STPP, soda ash, Texapol, SLS, color. This is glycerin just to make it shine. This is preservative. This is our fragrance, very important, and this is our sulfonic acid. Then we also have our menthol. We are going to be crushing it in and it is serving as anti-dandruff. This is our mixing bowl. We have our water. I have my gloves on. Please always try as much as possible to wear your glove so that you don't have any injury in your hand. And it's good to wear trouser or a long gown so that the chemical does not splash on your body. But if at all the chemical splashes on your body, have water handy so that you can easily rinse off. Nitrosol will be the first thing I won't be finishing it. So I just added a little water into the bowl. So I'm adding Nitrosol into the water. It's the base for our soap, for our shampoo. That's the base. So we are going to be stirring this until it is fully dissolved. So I'm adding this into water and we will stir it just to make sure that it's fully dissolved. As you can see, this caustic soda is well dissolved. So I will add it. Can you see? Very smooth. Garbage in, garbage out. What you put in is what you get at the long run. This is STPP. Make sure it's thoroughly dissolved. Then you pour it into the mixture. As you can see, we need to mix it thoroughly before we add the next thing. The next thing I'm going to add to that mixture is Texapol, but I want to mix my soda ash ahead while the mixing is going on. And you see, it's well mixed now. So we are going to be adding Texapol. We are okay with this. You will see the outcome. And you need to stir it well. If you don't stir it well, it will affect the final outcome of our shampoo. This is our soda ash. I've soaked it for about 5 minutes and it has fully dissolved. We are going to be adding this sulfonic acid. Is a thickening agent. I'm going to be dissolving this one in water. I've soaked this SLS for like 5 minutes, so it's been, and I kept stirring it, so it's fully dissolved now. You can see the foam coming up. I added it into the mixture. It looks like the liquid is not thick now. By the time it stays for some times and all the chemicals react together, you'll see how thick it will be. We will even need to add more water. I will add my menthol. The next thing is to add our preservative. We will now leave it for like 24 hours so that all the chemicals can react together. And all we need to add afterwards is our color and our fragrance. Very important. I think we have used less than 10 liters of water here because I'm not sure of those chemicals. So I'll prefer to add the water later if need be. Don't forget to take your safety precaution. This is after 24 hours. Our mixture has thickened up. And as you can see, it's very thick, so we will need to add more water and We have added our fragrance and our color. Look at how beautiful it's looking. So the next thing is for us to package it and see the final outlook. So our shampoo is ready, well packaged for sale. I think we got about 13 to 14 liters from our production. What is stopping you from starting your own production? It's very, very lucrative, and you can start your marketing. Just when you get to the market, you will even get more beautiful packaging containers. So start your business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me.